Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to turn off Seen on Facebook Messenger. So for that, first of all, let us head over to the Messenger application. Make sure you have logged in with your Facebook's account in Messenger. And let's head over to our chat and then go to their profile. Now here you'll find the option, scroll down and go to the option of read receipts. So here tap on read receipts. So as you can see, I have turned it off. If it is turned on your side, you can turn it off. So once you do it, they won't be able to see when you have read the messages. In the other words, the read receipts is turned off and you won't be able to see when they have read yours. However, they will still be able to see when you have read disappearing messages that they have sent. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out. If you got any questions regarding this, make sure to comment down below. We'll reach you out. Hope to see you in the next video.